Hello, this is my 2007 Hyundai Sonata, and I'm going to replace the cabin air filter, which is behind the glove box here. So let me get started. First thing, whoa, let me take everything out of here, man. I got all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to just put this over here on the other seat, because if I don't take this stuff out, it's just going to fall down. Oh, the tire pressure gauge. Oh, we got some CDs, maps, all kinds of stuff. More maps, and there we go. It's all empty. So, nice. Okay, so in order to get this thing out, all right, I gotta pop this off here. So this is this thing on the side. Okay, and it just, oh, that was easy. It just, you know, pops on and off. Okay, that's nice. And if I look inside here, I can see, since well, it's kind of hard for me to hold the camera at the same time, but there's a, oh, there it is. Right here, this cylinder, let me see, maybe I got a flashlight on me here. Let me look. I got a little flashlight. Let's see. There we go. Oh, that cylinder right there hooks onto this thing right here, which is, which holds the, glove box up. Okay, so all I have to do is pull that off, and I'll show you. I think it just comes right off here. Yeah, so there it goes. You see that? It just there it is. It just slides right off of there. So let's open this up, see what we got. Okay, and on the sides here there are a couple of rubber stoppers, like right in there, and there's, oh, I don't have one over here, but I should, I think. I don't know. Okay, there's a rubber stopper right there. This is empty. I don't know if there was one or it's gone now. But you can kind of pull this out a little bit, and down it comes. Bingo. Yeah, you know, I can see there must have been one in here one time. I don't know where it went. Okay, good. I have to tell you, take a look at this. Oh man, it is so nice out today. We had like 11 straight days of total cloud cover. Well, maybe not 11 straight. I think there was one day when it was a little bit sunny. But we had clouds and rain. So to get this out, what you do is you got to push these tabs together, and it kind of releases it. You just push it. Okay, now let me do this here with the other hand. So just push them down like this together, and this whole thing slides out. Oh my goodness. Well, we are clogged. Look at this. All right, so hang on. My goodness gracious me. All right, so there's a lot of stuff in here, and so let's take this out. See what, and it should come out. Just okay. Remember the way this thing is. This says, oh, there's the little instructions. Pushing those things in, pushing them down like that. Yeah, because you don't want to try to push it up or something. And so let me take this out. I have my shoes here. There we go. What do we got? And come on, come on, come on out. Okay. Oh boy, oh boy. This thing is stuck in here. Come on. There we go. That's good. And you see, there we go on this side. There we go. That's it. Come on out. Man. Yikes, a bunga. Oh my gosh. Alright, so when did I change this last? 127,136 miles. December 16th. 2021. Oh my goodness. That was, and today is October 3rd, 2024. So it's been almost 3 years. And I've got like, let me see, what's the mileage of the car? Okay, so my mileage today is 142,389. 142,389. So, yeah, definitely, I should have replaced this a lot sooner than 3 years. Okay, but that's all right. We got it now. This is a breezy thing. I got this on Amazon. I had some good ratings, so activated charcoal. That's okay. So let's open this up. What's it say? It's the same as a Fram. Pure Later Champ Wicks. Yeah. Okay. So what was this one here? This is a Fram CF10381. Oh, there it is. It replaces the CF10381. Nice. Okay. All right. So here we go. Let me open this up. Yeah, they're about the same weight. And so what I'm going to do on the side of this is write down today's date so I remember. So this is October 3, 2024, and the mileage is, what did I say it was? 142,389. 142,389. So this is October 3rd, 2024, 142,389. 142,389. There you go. So I'll remember. And since this is down, and let me just double check, since it says it's an exact replacement, and sure enough it is. Okay, so we'll just yeah, we'll look, it is an exact replacement. Yeah, nice and clean. Okay. Airflow. You have to always look at the airflow thingies here. And since this is going right back in like that, it says airflow is down, so it's going to go in here just like this. Okay, airflow down, airflow's down. And that makes sense because if the airflow is down, this is going to hold the bottom in. And we'll put this in like this. There you go. Nice. That looks good. Okay, perfect. Fits in there really nice. Oh, I'm gonna have to, let me just straighten this out so it's, you know, I like to make it so it's nice and tight against the, here, you know. So we'll just kind of do that, and we'll do that up here just to make sure it's nice and flat. And you see it's nice and tight. Well, oh, that can go in a little bit more. There you go. So, perfect. And I just like to push the edges a little bit so that make sure that it's actually in there complete. See, I don't like having any kind of gap, even if it's a tiny gap, you know. All right, so that's good. Let's put this back in, and we're ready to go. Okay, nice. Huh? The white's on the top. That's interesting. Yeah, just the other one here too. The black's on the bottom, the white is on the top. Huh? Okay, nice. So we're back in the car here, and I'm just gonna reach in and there's no leaves or anything in the fan, so we're just gonna take this and put it in like so. Okay, so you see it just goes back in, and notice that we've got the airflow in the right way. You know, this is the top, airflow's down. Come on, get back in there. There you go. And squeeze these, push it in, squeeze these, push it in, and there you go. You can check it out. It's nice and tight. Done. Perfect. There you go. I like it. Next step is we're just going to put this up like this. This rubber stopper is going to go in here, and I don't know where the rubber stopper is here, but we have one on. There you go, just like that. Okay. And that's going to hold it enough so I can put that in here. And I don't know if I can actually see this with the camera, but I'm just going to take, okay, I just took this little cylinder thing, put it on there, and we'll just take it and Okay, we just push that. Let's see. Oh boy, just push it. There we go, boink. And it's on. So you see now, take a look at that. That's, you know, choop, it's gonna hold itself. There's the rubber stopper, there's the cylinder. And I'm gonna put the stuff back in. Whoop, actually, whoa, there goes my glasses falling off. Okay, and what goes here? This is, let's do this last thing here. Is it going like this? Or is it going like this? Nope. It goes in like this, and we just, okay, I'm gonna just kind of put this in like that, and then there you go. Bingo. Snaps right into place. Everything's good. Air filter's good. I just got to fill up the glove box, and actually I think I'm gonna clean it out. Some of the stuff in there I don't need is gonna be gone. There you go. So here's the old one, and oh, let me see, I didn't read the instructions here. Behind the glove box, let's see. Oh, I stepped all over them. If you don't remember how to do it, okay, open the glove box, disconnect the glove box damper, remove the glove box compartment stops. Okay, remove the cabin air filter cover by pressing the clips inward. Oh, there you go. Oh, they're right in here. Remove the cabin air filter, install the new cabin air filter. The filter is equipped. Install the cabin air filter cover, install the glove box stops, connect the damper. Oh, I guess they consider that little cylinder the damper. There you go. Perfect instructions. And I did it without even reading the instructions. Who needs instructions, right? And that once again, that's the Breeze Easy cabin air filter. Okay, have a beautiful day. It's nice out today, and we're all good. Thank you so much for watching.